everyone. My name is Manish and I am from Teach for India. And today I would like to tell you about my organization and what we are doing at the ground. So, as you can see in the image, uh, today we are going to cover three topics. First one is our challenges. What are the challenges do we face on ground? Second one is fellowship and the post fellowship opportunity that you will have. And the third one is it the right for you? If is the fellowship is the option for you to explore. So let's go back to the same image and think about the moment and see what do you see from this image. So let's start with a challenge. So what is the challenge you can think of right now? So just take 5 seconds and think about any challenges you can see that is happening around the globe or in India right now. So as you can see on the PPT, you can find 69 children under 5 years of age are not able to go to the school. They are not able to finish their education, and there is a huge learning gap between the students. And 750 million women will have been married as children by 2030. So this report suggests us that there is something we need to do clearly for the society. And these whenever we read the newspaper on a daily basis, we will find there are so many issues that are happening around the globe and in India. So education inequity is one of them, and we must fight for that inequity. So right now I will put this slide for 10 seconds and realize what are the issues that are happening in India. So just think for a moment and see what are the challenges we are having right now. So as you can see, there is a word written called 4%. Can anyone from the audience tell me what is 4% mean? So 4% is the number of children who don't go to the school, who never go to the school, and they are never able to uh, learn anything new from the school. So these children never go to the school. And think about the context of India. India is a very large country with a population of more than a billion. So if you think 4% is a very huge amount, then think about the 48%. Now think about, so now I want you to go back to your childhood and think about your fourth grade and fifth grade and what are the challenges you face. So these are the number of people. 48% is the number of people who don't even finish their second primary grade. So again, if you think about the context of India, it is very high number. Okay, so now you can see on my screen 76%. So 76% shows us that 76% of the people in India don't even go to colleges. They are not able to finish their education. So which means that we are not producing workforces that are able to get good job in the companies. So that is another issue that we are facing. So if you can see, but that is not all. We are not all. So how many of you think that we can change this? Please raise your hand. What if we could do? So repeat after me. What if you could build a nation and your future? But how? So this is our vision at Teach for India. One day, all children will attain an excellence education. So let's talk about the fellowship and the post fellowship experience. So when we talk about the post fellowship, so our goal is to transform lives of the people. We help fellows to grow as a leader. We help our student to grow as a leader. So we are creating future for our fellows and for the student as well. We are creating a network for the fellows in which so we have a huge alumni network in which you can interact with other fellows who are changing the dynamic structure of India in the education and beyond. So if you see, you so there is a journey of the fellows. So when you join the fellowship, you will join in the institute. Then after 2 months of training, you will start to teach at the first year in the school, and then you will do the summer internship in 2024. Summer internship will help you to gain what is happening around the corporates, around the development sector. So you will get a chance to devote 1 or 2 months of internship, which will help you to grow professionally and personally. So after summer internship, then you will focus on the second year of fellowship. And second year of fellowship, you will work on your BTCP, be the change project. And then after the second year of fellowship, you will be part of the alumni movement. So in alumni movement, we have more than 12,000 fellows who are registered in our alumni network. And that is not all. So now you might be wondering, is this opportunity for me? So I would like to tell you, yes, this opportunity is for you. This fellowship is a 2-year fellowship experience. You will get paid, and you will get placed in the cities, and where you will get some stipend, and it's a full-time commitment. It is not a part-time commitment, it is a full-time commitment where you are going to teach the student, and you are making the future. So child would need it the most. So you are working for the children who need it the most at the ground level. So after the fellowship, there's what we call, there is a alumni movement. In alumni movement, you will find most of our fellows work in different sectors. For example, few alumni works in direct impact in the field of education. Some of them are working on their own organization. Some of them have set up working in the government. So these are the part of the alumni movement. And when you join the fellowship, you will become the part of a global network which is called Teach for All. You can interact with other organizations around the globe, like Teach for Nigeria, Teach for Bangladesh, etc. So basically, fellowship is a very selective process. It is not easy to get into the fellowship, because we want a smart mind and very potential people across the country to join the fellowship. So generally what happens, only 7% or 8% of the people make it to the fellowship. Rest of the people are not able to make join the fellowship. So are you ready for this challenge? Are you ready for the challenge? What if we could and build the nation and your future? So our final deadline is closing on 16th of April 2023. So if you want to know more about it, you can log on to teachforindia.org, and you will get to know about this. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can directly ask me the question. Thank you so much.